This is my 2022 Kia Stinger GT line. This is the 2.5 liter turbo. And today we'll discuss 1 year worth of mods, part 3. Interior mods or interior cosmetics. Keeping with the color scheme of blue, red, and silver, we'll look inside here. These are my custom door sills. These are stick-on and they're made out of some aluminum. The GT line doesn't come with the nicer door sills like the GT2. So this is one way to spruce it up. Next are these stick-on colored door latches. Then we have here LED cup holders. These light up in the dark and when there's vibration. That's how you charge them up. And here's a button to change them colors. I have them in these cup holders and then in the front. I'll post some pictures of what it looks like at night. At night, I will also show the LED footwells that I've stuck underneath the chairs. And then we have here the LED USB. With these, you could just plug them into the accessory ports or cigarette lighter. With this one, I bought this adapter that has the USB. This is the short adapter so that it could be as flush as possible here. You can change the different colors of the LED by pressing this button here. And those are the LEDs themselves. It detects. If there's light out, they won't turn on. But at nighttime, they turn on automatically. I have them set to blue, just like the rest of the interior. It provides a nice little ambient lighting back here as well. I've also installed these side headrests in the rear seats. These are, some people like them, some people don't. But my passengers, which could be my daughter, sometimes my wife, they love it for long trips. They could just rest their head on there and go to sleep. These are not necessarily a mod, but it's something I added. Makes the interior look a little different. In the front, I got the larger Stinger badge stuck on to the door sill. And then the colored door latch stuck on as well. One thing I didn't like about this car was the lack of sunglasses holder. So I found this. I stuck it onto the dash and you could slide in your sunglasses in and out without issues. And there's my Superman Lego minifig. Nice color scheme. Then we have these red aluminum paddle shifters. They stick onto the stock paddle shifters. Gives it that more aggressive look. This cable here is what powers the LED footwells, both in the rear and in the front. I tried to hide the cable as best possible. There's probably a cleaner way to do it, but for now this will work for me. I did cleanly install my Dashcam. I had to take apart this pillar and run the cables down there, and then through the fuse on the side to give it a cleaner look. In the rear, there's the camera back there. Had to take apart the trunk lining so I could run the cables there. Came out pretty good. Here's a better view of my rear camera. As you can see, I fed the wires down in here. Through the grommet into the frame. Through the weather stripping. And then all the way to the front of the car. Here are the front LED cup holders, same ones I have in the rear. They last 2 weeks before a charge, so it's plenty of time. Then we have this Motorola wireless for Android Auto. You just plug in the USB to turn it on, and then the Android Auto feature will appear in the infotainment. You could easily just then place your phone right on the wireless charger here and forget about it. Thankfully the car reminds me, when I turn off the car, it reminds me that I still have the phone sitting in the wireless charger, so that's useful right there. But before, with the cable, the phone couldn't even sit properly inside the wireless charger because it would be too long, especially with the cable dongle sticking out. So with this one, it eliminates the use of cables and keeps it a cleaner look. Next we come to my little Hot Wheels on display here next to my screen. They're color matched to my car. I think they look cool there. Here's a continuation of the interior mods. Right now in the rear seats, you can see the LED footwells that I installed. The light up cup holders. These work when it's dark and also on vibration, and they last a few weeks on one single charge. Then we have these LEDs. Right now I have them on blue, but you could change them in different colors. Same with the footwells. And this is what it looks like when it's completely dark while driving. Nice little ambient lighting. Here are the front seats. Footwell lighting on the driver's side and also on the passenger side. I also have this USB accessory here with LED shining blue. And also the lit up cup holders. And this is when it's completely dark. Those are the rear seats. Since the GT line doesn't come with ambient lighting, you make your own. Here's a point of view from the rear seats while everything is illuminated. And this is driver's point of view. So this wraps up my 1 year worth of mods on my 2022 Kia Stinger GT line for the interior. Please check out my other videos when I talk about the exterior mods and also my performance mods I've done in 1 year. I'll post the links of the items that I bought in the description. Let me know your thoughts. What did you think about this video and all these different mods? If there's things that I could change or add, let me know. I know that my mod bug is not over yet, but for now I'm content and satisfied. Thanks for watching.